Everybody just finished cleaning the valves from the intake. Now you can actually see inside there. See how clean it is? Nice and beautiful and clean. Very clean inside compared to before. So we have cleaned every single intake. This side here as well, so you can see the actual valve now. Nice and clean. Before it was just covered in black soot. You can't even see it. Okay, and then what we've done, we removed the spark plugs. Remove the spark plugs out. And then we put some flushing agent in there to clean the top of the piston, the carbon, sweat up. So we're gonna do all that. But the final process, you gotta actually remove the spark plugs and crank it over, just in case you get a bit of a cleaning agent in there to stop any compression lock to damage the engine. So this is the final stuff we've done. So we've done it about 4 or 5 times. Little broken bits came out from the actual top of the piston, all the carbon that gets stuck on top of the piston, and the valves came out for the spark plug. So give it a quick start. Few more. Few more. Few more. Few more. Few more. Yep. So turn the key off. Yeah, we do that just in case there's something inside the piston or any kind of cleaning agent there to stop any compression lock. But yeah, as you can see, big, massive difference compared to before. So all the ports been cleaned properly, inside out, outside as well, and all the spark plug ports clean, and top of the pistons clean as well. Yeah, you have to do this to all the direct fuel injection system. Porsche, Audi, Volkswagen, and Mercedes-Benz, BMW to have it. So I recommend this to be done on every 60,000 kilometers service, every major service to be done. Otherwise the car will just get worse and worse towards the 100,000 kilometers mark. Alright, thanks for watching. And actually the most important thing you gotta do, I forgot to mention, you gotta disconnect the fuel line and then take the fuse on this GTS Cayenne. It's a fuse number 13. It's a 25 amp fuse. Take that one, make sure you take that one out, make sure there's no fuel. And what I do is I disconnect the fuel line and make sure there's no fuel coming out as well, so to make sure you did take the right fuse out. Okay, we're going to assemble the car now and start it up later on, and then do another video, and then we'll do the filter, sorry, it's inside the fuel tank. We'll do that tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.